Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're diving into a topic that many sports fans are curious about: how to watch live sports on Firestick. Whether you're a die-hard basketball fan, a soccer aficionado, or a lover of any other sport, Firestick offers a convenient way to catch all the action live. So, let's get started. First things first, if you're not familiar with Firestick, it's a streaming device that plugs into your TV's HDMI port, allowing you to stream content from various platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and of course, sports streaming services. Setting up Firestick is super easy. You just plug it into your TV, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about the apps you'll need to watch live sports on Firestick. There are several options available, depending on your preferences and the sports you want to watch. For example, if you're into basketball, NBA League Pass is a great choice. It gives you access to every NBA game live and on demand. Similarly, ESPN offers a wide range of sports coverage, including football, basketball, soccer, and more. Downloading these apps is simple. Just head over to the App Store on your Firestick, search for the app you want, and hit install. Once it's installed, you can launch the app and start watching live sports right away. Now, let's talk about subscriptions and pricing. While some sports streaming apps are free to download, others require a subscription to access live content. For example, NBA League Pass offers monthly and annual subscriptions with the option to watch every game live or select a single team package. Similarly, ESPN offers its streaming service as part of a cable subscription or as a standalone service for cord cutters. Keep an eye out for any deals or discounts that might be available, especially if you're signing up for the first time or during special promotions. Conclusion. And there you have it. Watching live sports on Firestick is easy and convenient thanks to a variety of streaming apps available. Whether you're cheering for your favorite team or catching up on the latest highlights, Firestick has you covered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.